Hello darlings, my name's Stephen Davies and I'm the knob by the hob. So to start my burrata salad, I'm going to chop up some heritage tomatoes. A little selection of them. They look lovely, lovely different colours. Again, as I said before, I keep my tomatoes not in the fridge at room temperature. They taste much better, not cold. So just roughly chop them up. Doesn't have to be anything too fancy. I always put a little bit of this garlic salt. Again, I've mentioned this before. It's one of my famous little secret ingredients to everything. And some very good quality extra virgin olive oil. So, leave that to marinate for a bit. And then we'll start with the burrata salad. So, some fresh figs, they're in season at the moment. So I got these from the market shop, but actually they had them in Tesco's and Waitrose. So slice up the figs. I'm going to use...
Do you want this straightening?
Yes, please. So there you go. A little bit of the tomato on there as well. Thank you. Then the burrata. Stick that on. Herb-wise, basil goes really well with tomatoes, so I'll put a little bit of basil on there, fresh basil. And then I always put a little bit of chives on the top. You can, if you can find them, get some nice little edible flowers. I just think they look really pretty on there. Especially for that little special dinner party that you're having. Just looks like a little garden. And then, again, a little splash of olive oil. Sorry?
That's like whiskey.
Whiskey, oh, that does, sorry. And again, a little tiny bit of the garlic salt. And there you go, burrata salad.